How's it going, YouTube? Matt here with a weather update. This is Winter Storm Kuo, K-U-O. Up here in Juneau, it's dumping snow. Yeah, it is.
How are you today?
Doing all right.
Good. Nice camera. I tried to win one of those at my job.
Oh yeah,
but
GoPro.
I ended up winning a TV.
Yeah, I like these a lot.
Really?
Yeah, in fact, I'm putting this on YouTube.
Nice.
You don't mind, do you?
What's up, B? See you later.
Catch you later. Yeah. So yeah, the date is March 1st.
Everywhere.
Again, March 1st, 2016. It's dumping snow. This is name of this storm is Kuo, K-U-O. And if I didn't say the location, this is Mauston, Wisconsin, in Juneau County. Didn't think it would be this bad, but it's almost whiteout conditions. One thing's for sure, I ain't gonna drive today. Looks like they're plowing. So, again, if you're traveling, stay safe. Me personally, I'm going to avoid it. So, there you go. Winter Storm Kuo. What is it? Kuo? Kuo? K-U-O is the way it's spelled. Alright, thank you.